Good afternoon, dear students. Let's start 6th chapter, Data Analysis Made Easy. How can we tabulate the data from 100 questionnaires and analyze? It is needed a difficult task to classify, tabulate and analyze the data collected from more than 100 questionnaires and to reach conclusions. If we do it with the help of a computer, it reduces our workload and makes the analysis easy. Spreadsheet softwares are developed with a view to perform these kinds of activities. Gnumeric, Calligra Sheets, Microsoft Excel, OpenOffice.org Calc, LibreOffice Calc, etc. are examples of spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software. VisiCalc is the first spreadsheet program prepared for personal computers. The first edition was released in 1979. VisiCalc is the acronym of Visible Calculator. It was the product of a joint effort by Dan Brinklin and Bob Frankenstein. Spreadsheet softwares like Multiplan and SuperCalc were in use at that time. Let's identify the cell address. Open the LibreOffice Calc from Application Office. LibreOffice Calc window opened. Don't you see a lot of small rectangular boxes in rows and columns? These boxes are called cells. Click the mouse on each cell. Do you see that the cell you clicked becomes more bright? This is called cell pointer. We can change the position of the cell pointer using the arrow keys in the keyboard also. We can type and add information in the cell where the cell pointer is. A cell is identified by its cell address. Cell address is the combination of column header and row header. Every one of us has one's own name. It helps others to identify us. Like that, each row has its own name, by which the row can be identified. It is called row header. We have seen numbers given on the left side of the row. Don't mistake them as serial numbers. They are the names of the rows. Now try to find out the names given for columns in the column header. Look at the letters A, B, C, D given as the column header. Numerals are used to name the rows and English letters are used to name the columns. This chapter will continue in the next class.